What's up, YouTube? Today I was looking on the internet and I found this and this. And at that point, I thought,
I want that too.
and with that being said, let's re-enter the world of SCP with number 682.
Alright, let's get to it. SCP-682, also known as the Hard-to-Destroy Reptile. It's an extremely dangerous K-Class creature from the SCP Foundation. This creature is one of the few that the Foundation actually want dead, simply because it wants to kill all life and is incredibly dangerous. The reason that the creature has gained such alias is that it can regenerate its entire form from the tiniest of particles. So far, nothing has been able to kill SCP-682. It is literally kept in an acid-filled cell that attempts to slowly erode the creature's skin. This creature is one of the most dangerous creatures in possession by the Foundation for both that and its hatred for all life itself. The creature has managed to escape 6 times, with another additional 17 failed attempts, in which all successful attempts, every member of the Foundation was dispatched to go after it. Now, SCP-682 has a few special abilities. One, with the obvious regeneration, has been able to bring itself back from even death. The Foundation has attempted to eliminate it by heavy artillery, acid of course, fire, bludgeoning, lasers, you name it, they have all failed. With that, it's even got its own form of hyper intelligence, super strength, speed, and borderline ninja-like reflexes. The creature can even change its form, but always stays relatively high in these key stats. It has rapid adaptation, even mentioned before with it changing form, because it can change its body as needed. Usually, as a counter to the Foundation's most recent attempt to kill it, it can consume organic matter and even inorganic materials to provide the necessary means for mass and growth, and it has been even known to grow additional organs to adapt to these situations. It changed its size and its style of resistance. This is how it's also been able to survive the acid containment, because it is slowly adapting over time. Now, a side note that we could easily take in is the SCP test record for Termination SCP-682, launching it into the sun. SCP-682 was loaded into a rocket and successfully launched, while satellites from the Foundation monitored it as it made its way towards the sun. After several days of monitoring, it noticed that the creature managed to tear open the walls of the ship, and then it was hurtled into the vacuum of space. Watching SCP-682 aimlessly drift for the next 7 days, which during this time it grew wings, other appendages as it adapted to its surroundings. Fully grown, they observed the creature surviving a total of 28 days in the vacuum of space. Contamination teams reached SCP-682's landing site, where it did land on Earth, trying to contain it again. SCP-682 is clearly a force to be reckoned with and should be approached with extreme caution. I've hoped you all have enjoyed this creature, this process, the story, the background, and everything as much as I have. Now let's finish this guy up with a quick dry brush, and until next time, please enjoy the rest of the video and hit that subscribe button smash that like button, and tell me what you think in the comment section down below. Love you guys.
And he is done! The hard to destroy reptile, SCP-682, is complete. Let me know what you think about him in the comment section down below. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and now on to his glamour shots. Oh yeah, before you go, if you made it this far, I got a pretty sweet playlist right here and another dope video for you to watch. Please enjoy, and until next time.